Okay, so this is the first time we've seen this kitchen in real life. Our vision for this was, I think, a Steven Gambrel room, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, and we loved so much this high gloss lacquered walls. It wasn't a kitchen at all, it was just a color. And in order to get the lacquered cabinetry, it was like such a budget breaker doing it with wood. And so our cabinet guy had this great idea to do an automotive finish and do a metal cabinet, which is what you're looking at right now.
Yes.
In these uppers. They're so beautiful, and what an incredible trick, and I feel like we've never seen this before. The island is a black cerused wood, and we've got a white maca ubas quartzite countertop, which is sensational. The fridge wall, that is an entirely different type of cabinetry.
Yeah.
We did, this is a wood cabinetry with brass inlaid, I want to call it racing stripes, but it's not. And it's a slightly different finish, which I think also feels very designer.
Yes.
Atypical, none of this feels like it came out of a box. One of the space expanding tricks in a house that has 8-foot ceilings is to definitely take your cabinets all the way to the ceiling and have those touch. It really, really stretches the space. We also had smaller windows in the original home and went with larger windows that came all the way down to the countertops.
Another thing we're doing again in here is mixing metals. We love this trick when you have a hood we did silver stainless steel right here with these brass bandings. And this again, it gives you permission to mix metals everywhere because we have it here as our kind of, I don't know, the big showpiece in your kitchen is your hood. And so people will see this, and then as your eye starts to kind of meander around the space, you'll see again the utility faucet. We did crosswater here, so you see that gorgeous nickel on this one.
A couple of tricks in this kitchen that we really love and are super proud of and excited about are the rhythm of this cabinetry detail. We've never done anything like this before. So we've got some cupboard doors, and then the rest of these are drawers. It looks very sort of haphazard, which I think gives it a real designer look. We also have mixed up knobs and pulls. We went with pulls on drawers, knobs on doors, which also gave it a fun rhythm to the door and drawer style.